Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. Today, we're going to draw this super cute little turtle step by step. Now let's draw the front leg and the shell and the back legs.
Some days I got no use for it all.
Now comes my favorite part, the eyes. Let's give our turtle two big, beautiful eyes. Draw one big eye here.
Some days are bad at best.
Great! Our turtle already has a shell. Now let's give the shell some beautiful details.
Foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company.
Next, let's give our turtle a happy little face.
Foolish lies, foolish notions, they cut me down to size.
Wow! Look at our cute little turtle. I really love how this drawing turned out. Did you draw your turtle with me? If you did, I'd love to see it. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and join me for more cute and easy drawings. So, tell me in the comments, what should we draw next? Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye bye.